Hello friends! Today Julia will open a new toy. This is a Peppa Pig magnetic Scribbler, Julia.
Scribble.
Do you like this?
Scribble.
Let's show our friends. Woo!
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. If you like our channel, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's open this new toy. Wow. Will be so funny. Are you happy? Are you happy, Julia? Yes. Are you happy? We have also some shapes here. Oh yes. Baby finger. Oh. Let's open this. Let's take this the package so you can manage to play with this toy. Look, we have to take this out. Woo! We have some shapes, Julia. Look. What shape is this?
Egg.
Let's show the heart. This is heart. Look, you can use it like this. Look. Wow. We have one more shape. What shape is this, Julia? What shape is this, Mommy?
Circle.
Circle. This is circle. It's a white circle. So nice. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. This is a triangle. A purple triangle. Look. Shapes. Ooh. What shape is this?
Square.
Square. This is a square. A pink square. Are you happy? Yes? What shape is this?
Star.
It's a star. Let's show this. This is a star.
Tree.
Look, star. Try. Let's clear the page so you can do this. Do it. Do you want to try the pen?
Tree shoot.
Yes. Wow.
Tree shoot. Tree shoot.
Do you want mommy to draw Peppa Pig for you? Yes. Clear? Go, go, go! Yay! Do you want mommy to draw Peppa Pig for you?
No.
Draw. Let's do the nose. Peppa Pig nose. Head. Eyes. Mouth. Now let's do Peppa dress. And teddy bear. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Turn around and what is this, Julia?
Peppa Pig.
This
Egg.
ear.
Ear.
It's yours. Here. And Julia, who is this?
George.
George. And this one?
She.
And this one?
Peppa Pig.
And this?
Peppa Pig.
Rebecca Rabbit. Wow. Do you like this magnetic scribbler, Julia? Do you like it? Hmm?
Peppa Pig.
Where is Peppa? Oh no! Wow!
Peppa Pig.
Look, let's do the shapes again. So, star, triangle, circle, square, and last one is
Ah.
heart. Wow! So how many shapes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Yay! Star. Wow. You're very good. Now, do you want to say bye-bye to our friends? Say bye-bye, friends. Say bye-bye.
Hello, friends.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Yes, we have to say goodbye to our friends. And we'll see.
Hello, sheep.
Hello, sweetie, yes. But now we have to say goodbye, friends. Thanks for watching our videos and we will see you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.